Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot did work out nicely. Yeah, I think in the last video we talked about that this could be an ABCDE triangle with an expected breakout to the downside and to make a new low in a wave 5. Now that wave 5 could be in. It would be a short wave 5, especially considering the length of the wave 1. Happens sometimes. Don't really like the looks of it. I think this could go down lower. We don't really have a confirmation of a reversal yet, but so far the scenario has worked out. If you look at this ABCDE, this was not allowed to push any higher than 682. It didn't. I told you that first indication of a breakout to the downside would be a move below 625 happened, and that a confirmation for the breakout would be below $6.10 happened, and we came all the way down to 566. Since then we have bounced, but we have not broken above the previous swing high yet. So I think more confirmation that we are now pushing up from here, and that this could theoretically have been the low of the bear market. Now, do I believe it or not? At the moment, it's not entirely clear yet. Yeah. It would be, we can count an impulse from here, from the low to the high. This is possible. But to get that more, let's say, more confirmed, I would like to get a move above 627. If we count this as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, then we could be in the third wave. But then it really needs to push above 627. And for the market to prove to us that we are in a breakout, I would like to see the third wave to reach the $7 level. That would now be needed to give confirmation that indeed we are here in some kind of a breakout pattern, because this would take us to the 1.618 extension at $7, and that would only be the third wave. There should then be a fourth wave down and a fifth wave to the upside, which could go somewhere into the region around 762. So it's getting interesting now. This is probably the sort of, at the moment at least, the best chance that a low was in since we bottomed out here on the 21st of September. And just see, no, not even here. No, I'm talking about the low here in July. Yeah, so probably the best chance since then, because even here we weren't very sure, were we? Because we had a lot of overlaps here, so that wasn't high confidence in terms of a breakout. Here we had a good chance, yeah, but the market obviously didn't use it. You can see that we made a new low, and yeah, I think at the moment we just need a bit more time to see, does the market now break out or not? So far, scenario has been fulfilled. But again, I want to see now this sort of breakout here to get more confirmation. We've made that low, but my problem I have with that is that the wave 5 was very short. So this could, yeah, I mean, if we get above that 620, what is it, 627, 628 level, that's the first step. And then I want it to move higher, obviously, break above 653, and then here this 680 level. Now, this could also just be, just so that you're aware of it, a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and we could come down further. Now, this wave 2 would get less likely if it retraces more than the 78.6% FIB level. So that's here the level at 635. So if this move up now, first of all, it breaks above 627. If it then moves above 635, that increases the likelihood that the wave E will also break here at 653. So that's just something interesting and important to know. So if it doesn't break now above this high, or it doesn't break above 635, then I think we're looking here at the next wave down in a wave 3. So it's a key decision point we're getting to, close to, right? And what I'm telling you, there is a chance a low is in now, not high confidence yet. And I just haven't seen enough yet. And I gave you the key relevant levels that are now important. Okay, just a quick update about Polkadot. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.